Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the today's problem of the day of Geeks for Geeks. Question name is max profit from two machines. Question says that given two machines, machine A and machine B, and a set of n tasks, the profit earned for performing each task is given in two arrays, array A and array B, such that machine A performs the ith task, the profit A of I, and if machine B performs it, the profit is B of I. Okay, the machine A can perform it at most x tasks and machine B can process at most y tasks, and it is guarantees that x plus y is greater than equal to n, and so all the tasks can be assigned. Return the maximum possible profit after assigning each task to the either machine A or machine B. So we are provided two arrays of same length A and B, and we have to perform some number of tasks that we have to done by either machine A or machine B. We have to select it greedily so that the our possible number of tasks would be maximum. Okay, so we have to assign maximum number of profit. So each array contains some profit by machine. So we have to select the maximum from both. We either select for x profit of a array, and we can select from profit of B array. So how we can do it? So for that we will we have to choose greedily. So for getting greedy approach, we have use we can use the sorting between the difference of both. So which whatever would be greater, then we will pick the b of I. If b of I is greater, then we will take the element from bi, and if the ai is greater, then we have to take from ai. So in this way we will perform the over the best both. Okay, best over the both. So how to write the code? So for that I'm going to use python. So let's take one array tasks. Task is an array that we will store tuple, as tuple has three component, like first is different, then the value of a, then value of b. Okay, then we will going to iterate traverse the array from for I in range len of any array b or a, both are having equal length. Then let's fill the tasks. So how to fill it? Tasks dot append, we will append as a tuple, and inside the tuple we will have three things, like first value is absolute difference between both abs of array of a, bs of a of I, comma minus b of I, the difference between both array. On the basis of that we have to reverse sort that. So we will have it as a first parameter, because our function will first encounter and sort it with the first parameter. Then we will have the value of a, after that we have value of b, that is the performance of ath machine and bth machine. Okay, after that when we have filled the tasks, then we have to sort it in reverse order. So I will task dot sort to sort function, and reverse equal to true will reverse the sorting method, and sorting order will be the descending order, reverse equal to true. After that what we have to do? We have to take one variable like answer or profit, anything. We can take profit equal to 0. Initially there is no profit, and after that we have to traverse throughout the tasks. So for the first parameter we are using just a hyphen, and then I can use underscore, and ai is for the value of the machine A or profit of machine A, then bi is for profit of machine B. In tasks, and our tasks we have three things. First is difference. We will check whether if value of a or profit of a machine is greater than the profit of b machine. Then we have to check whether the value number of tasks we can select from machine a is x, and number of tasks can be selected from machine b is y. So if we can select any tasks from machine a, then I will check whether x is possible. Is it possible to take from machine a or not? So if it is possible from machine a, then we will update we will choose the task greedily from machine a. then update our profit plus equal to A. Okay, we will increment our profit with the value of machine A, and we will reduce the one chance, the machine A lost one chance. So in this way we will decrement x minus equal to 1, and after that we will check if it is not possible to choose machine A. So that means we have run out of the value of x, then we can select, we can blindly select the from select second machine, that we can say the profit must be plus equal to b of I. And if we are using b of I, then we have to reduce the y value because it is the number of chance from b, and after that we have to return else case. If it is not true that value of bi is greater, value of ai is not greater, then that in that condition we will check whether we have value y remaining and our value of y is remaining, then we will take greedily the value from the b array, so that we will write profit plus equal to b of I. And if b of I, and in this way we will select the maximum of both and decrement, as well as we are decrementing the value of y, so that the chance of y machine is reduced. And if the y value is run out, so we have to select from x, so we will update profit from xi, from the machine x we will use, and reduce the x value, because both x plus y would equal to less than equal to ln of n, as given in the question. X plus y is greater than equal to n, so we will never run out both, so that is the condition. So we are only checking for one condition, else we have to don't need to check. And after that we can just return profit. Hope you understand this, and it is very simple. Let's try to run that. Yeah, it is compiled successfully, and now try to submit that. There is error, let me check it. Tasks and time. AI is greater than bi and x greater than 0. Profit greater than I minus. Okay, so we have written here xi speed of ai. Okay, now we have to try to run it again, try to submit that. Okay, we have successfully passed all the cases. And let's talk about time complexity. The time complexity for sorting is big O of n log n, and for the traversal we are using big O of n. So overall time complexity is big O of n log n, and the space complexity for the task array we have used linear space, so the big O of n is the space complexity. Thank you for watching, hope you understood that.